In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ERPNext theme 2025 guide. To get started, open your ERPNext instance and log in using an account with administrator or website manager permissions. That access is important because theme settings are managed at the website level, so you'll need the proper role before you can make changes. Once you're signed in, head over to website, then setup, and then website theme. This is the section where ERPNext lets you create, edit, and manage the visual style of your website. If you want a fresh design instead of editing an existing one, click New to create a new theme record. Give your theme a clear name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to test multiple styles. After naming it, save the new theme. Now you can begin customizing the look and feel. Start by configuring your preferred color scheme. Set your primary and secondary brand colors, and then adjust button styles and other appearance-related options to match the identity you want for your site. This is where you shape the overall visual tone, so take a moment to make sure the colors work well together and stay readable. Next, move on to fonts and styling. Choose the fonts you want to use for headings and for body text, then fine-tune the typography settings so the website feels consistent and aligned with your branding. Good typography can make a big difference in how polished your site looks. If you need more advanced control, you can use the custom overrides or SCSS section. This part is optional, but it's useful when the built-in settings aren't enough and you want more precise styling adjustments. Once your customization is done, review everything carefully and click Save to store the theme configuration. After saving the theme, go to Website, then Setup, and then Website Settings. In this area, locate the Website Theme field and select the theme you just created. This is the step that actually applies your design to the website. While you're in Website Settings, update your branding elements as needed. Upload your company logo, add a favicon, and configure banner settings if your site uses them. These details help make the theme feel complete and professional. When everything is selected and updated, click Save again in Website Settings. Your website should now use the new design settings. If the changes don't appear right away, refresh your browser first. If needed, clear the website cache since some ERPNext installations won't show updates immediately until the cache is cleared. Finally, open your website in a new tab and preview the result. Check the colors, fonts, navigation, logo, and other branding elements to make sure everything looks right. If something feels off, go back and make the necessary adjustments until the theme looks exactly the way you want.